and try to clean this up with the wire wheel. Those little areas right here I'm about to weld. And I've seen a lot of people, whenever they grind, buff, even do this, that don't wear, you know, safety equipment. And I don't care who you guys are, you guys gotta protect your face, because all little sparks, they hurt and they can embed themselves into your skin. And it's not fun whenever they get into your eyes or your face. So remember that. And after the wire wheel, it came out all shiny. Alright, well, my trusty flux welder. Got this packed up. I'm gonna weld it out. Ew. That's the bad part about flux welders. Spatter. Well, could have been better right there, but as long as it's holding, it's just an exhaust hanger.